I am presenting here the topic sulfonamide, which is useful for B Pharma 6th semester in pharmacology subject BP 602. What is sulfonamide? Sulfonamide is a functional group that is the basic of several groups of drugs which are called sulfonamide. The original antibacterial sulfonamides are synthetic antimicrobial agents that contain these sulfonamides. Sulfonamide antibiotics are differentiated from non-antibiotic by both N-aryl amine groups and nitrogen containing rings structure on a specific part of the drugs. General properties of sulfonamide. Sulfonamides are the oldest and remains the most widely used antibacterial agents in veterinary medicine, chiefly because of low cost of their efficacy in some common bacterial disease, urinary GIT infections. The synergistic action of sulfonamide with trimethoprim randoms. Sulfonamide combination drugs much more effective than sulfonamide alone. All sulfa are derivatives of sulfonamide. The first sulfonamide discovered in 1940 to have antimicrobial activity, the nucleus. Additional or substitution of various functional groups drugs with varying pharmacologic and antibacterial properties. Sulfonamides generally are weak organic acid, insoluble in water but more soluble in alkaline aqueous solution than in natural or acidic. Solubility enhanced when sulfonamide formulated as sodium salt or in solution of more alkaline pH, highly irritated. Water soluble sodium or disodium salt used for parenteral administration. Sulfonamide tend to undergo crystallization in urine, acid pH, especially in men and carnivorous animals. Antimicrobial spectrum. The spectrum of all sulfonamide is generally the sum. Sulfonamide inhibit both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Actinomyces. More active sulfonamides inhibit several of Streptococcus and E. coli strains of Pseudomonas, Proteus, Leptospira and Mycoplasma are most often highly resistant. Classification of sulfonamide. First is orally absorbable agent, short acting 4 to 8 hours. Sulfadiazine and sulfacytine, intermediate acting 8 to 12 hours. Sulfamethoxazole and sulfamethoxazole, long acting 7 days. Sulfasalazine and sulfamethoxyrazine, orally non-absorbable agent. Sulfasalazine, topical agent. Sulfadiazine and sulfacetamide mefenide. Mechanism of action. Sulfonamides are the structural analogues of para-aminobenzoic acid. Sulfonamide competitively inhibits dihydroteriote synthetase, which is an enzyme that catalyzes the synthesis of dihydrofolic acid. The decreased synthesis of dihydrofolic acid leads to decreased synthesis of tetrahydrofolic acid, which is required for the synthesis of DNA. Antimetabolites bacteriostatic sulfonamide. Sulfonamide are para-amino benzoic acid are similar in chemical structure. All sulfonamide inhibits synthesis of folic acid by being mistakenly substituted for para-amino benzoic acid. Sulfonamide blocked conversion of para-amino benzoic acid to dihydroteroic acid by inhibiting dihydroteroate synthetase enzyme. Trimethoprim blocked synthesis of tetrahydrofolic acid from dihydrofolic acid by competitive inhibition dihydrofolate reductase. Inhibition of growth and replication occurs in organisms that cannot use preformed dietary folate, that is organic, must synthesize their own folic acid. The effective is bacteriostatic. Mammalian cell metabolism is not inhibited because it utilizes performed folic acid obtained from the diet. Sulfonamide trimethoprim combination synergistic bactericidal action on susceptible organism. Optimal ratio in vitro for combination of trimethoprim and methoprim and a sulfonamide is usually 1:20. The commercially available preparation use a ratio 1:5 because of pharmacokinetic concentration that result in the optimal ratio at the site of infection. Sulfonamide are most effective in early stages of acute infection. Bacterial growth resume when the concentration of para-amino benzoic acid increase or when levels of sulfonamide falls below enzyme inhibitory concentration. Sulfonamide efficacy reduced by excess para-amino benzoic acid, folic acid, thiamine, methionine, blood and tissues depressed. Bacteriostatic sulfonamide needs adequate cellular and hormonal defense mechanism of successful sulfonamide therapy. Pharmacokinetic of sulfonamide. There are not able differentiations among sulfonamide with respect to pharmacokinetic fate. The standard classification of short, medium and long acting sulfonamide used in human therapeutic and usually appropriated in veterinary medicine. Sulfonamide administered intravenous and intramuscular or topically. Most sulfonamide are rapidly or completely absorbed from GIT tract of monogastric animals. Absorption. Therapeutic doses usually administered frequently added to drinking water except in acute infection. Absorption and rapid from intravenous and intramuscular parenteral sites. Sulfonamide solution is alkaline from parenteral use. The poorly absorbed sulfonamide intended from local treatment of intestinal infection. Sulfonamide absorption occurs readily from parenteral infection sites. Effective antibacterial concentration reached in less than 1 hour and peak concentration in 4 hours. Distribution. The unwound drug friction is freely diffusible. Sulfonamide distributed throughout all body tissues. Distribution depends on ionization state if sulfonamide vascularity of tissues and friction of administration doses wound to plasma protein. Sulfonamide wound to plasma protein to a greater lesser extent. Sulfonamide in more than 90% wound to plasma protein. Concentration in the kidneys exceed plasma concentration and those in skin, liver and lungs. Possible diffusion into milk what the achieved concentration in adequate to control infection. Biotransformation. Sulfonamides metabolized mainly by several oxidative pathways. Acetylation and conjugated with sulfate or glucuric acid. Species differences are marked in metabolism. The acetylated, hydroxylated and conjugated forms have little antibacterial activity. Acetylation poorly developed in dogs reduced the solubility of most sulfonamide. The hydroxylated and conjugated form less precipitant and precipitated in urine. Excretion. Most sulfonamide are excreted primarily in the urine, while feces, milk, sweat are also excretory routes. Glomerular filtration, active tuberal secretion, and tuberal reabsorption are the main process involved. The concentration and solubility of sulfonamide and their metabolized determined crystals precipitate. Crystals precipitate prevented by urine, increased fluid intake, reducing doses raised in renal insufficiency using triple sulfonamide. Therapeutic index. Therapeutic indication and therapeutic uses. Sulfonamide used to treat or prevent acute systematic or local infection. Diseases treated with sulfonamide include respiratory infection, action, bacillosis, and colibacillosis. Sulfonamide more effective when administered early in the course of disease. Chronic infections with large amounts of tissues present are not responsive to sulfonamide. In some infections, the initiation dose should administered intravenous. For drugs with a long elimination half-life, initial dose should be double the maintenance dose. Adequate drinking water should be available at all time. A course of treatment should not exceed 7 days. If a favorable response seen within 72 hours, treatment should continue for 48 hours to prevent relapses and the risk of bacterial resistance. For successful sulfonamide therapy, high soluble sulfonamide used for urinary tract infections. A few very water soluble sulfonamide and sulfonamide and sulfazolone. Very water soluble sulfonamide rapidly excreted by a urine tract 90% in 24 hours. Excreted mostly in unchanged form, primarily used to treat urinary tract infections. Poorly soluble sulfonamides used for intestinal infections. Some sulfonamides are so insoluble that are not absorbed from the CIT tract more than 5%. Succinyl sulfathiazole undergo bacterial hydrolysis in lower GIT tract with the consequent release of active sulfonamide and sulfathiazole. Sulfasalazine also hydrolyzed in large intestinal to sulfapyridine and 5-amino salicylic acid, and anti-inflammatory agent that used for management of ulcerative colitis in dogs. Topical sulfonamide. Several sulfonamides used topical for specific purposes. Sulfonamide is not highly efficacious what is used to treat ophthalmic infection. Mefenamide and silver sulfathiazine are used on burn wound to prevent invasion by many gram positive and gram negative organisms. Sulfonamide and sulfathiazole is commonly included in wood powder for the same purpose. Adverse effect and toxicity. Adverse reactions to sulfonamide due to hypersensitivity or direct toxic effect. Hypersensitivity reaction include urticaria, skin rashes, anaphylaxis fever and hemolytic anemia. Catalytic 6 is a recognized adverse effect. Acute toxic sign seen after too rapid intravenous or if excessive dose is injected. Clinical signs include muscle weakness and collapses. GIT disturbances as nausea and vomiting. When sulfonamide concentration are sufficiently high in GIT tract, depressed function of renal microflora and vitamin B synthesis. Several adverse effects after prolonged treatment including bone marrow depression. Sulfonamides leads to decreased egg production and growth. Topically, sulfonamide retarded healing of uncounted wounding. Thank you.